And the raw. We have number 1, Speedmaker, draws 4-year lead. Ice Storm in second. Conquistador Lizardi outside. Lucky Lork and Speed Spell is in behind them. Past the last 900. Speedmaker in command by about a length and a half. Ice Storm is in second. Down in third, Conquistador. Then comes number 2, Lucky Lork and Speed Spell in that order. About to pass the last 600. Speedmaker by about 2 lengths. Ice Storm remains in second with the last 500 meters more to run. Speedmaker still leading the field. Ice Storm sorry outside. Down in third, Conquistador closing in Speed Spell. Then comes number 2, and that's Lucky Lork as they turn for home. Speedmaker still leading the field. Ice Storm is sorry outside. Speed Spells down in third, Conquistador with the last 150 more to run. Ice Storm leading the field now over Speedmaker. Speed Spell with the last 75 meters more to run. Ice Storm by about 2 lengths. And finally, Ice Storm, Speed Spell, Speedmaker, Conquistador, and Lucky Lork